how do you make purchasing decisions for online shopping? Go ahead, Jeff.
Thank you very much, Jim, for the question. The question that Jim asked me was, how do I make purchasing decisions online? Now, this is actually quite a good question because there are several factors that I consider when I'm purchasing something. One of them is maybe not so obvious to everyone who hasn't really considered the products available on websites such as Amazon. On Amazon, if you're ordering a product that is easily copied or counterfeited, it's actually the case that some products you would order on Amazon would not actually be the genuine product. For example, I like to order some replacement shaver blades for my electric razor, and I usually order them online as well. And if you Google or search for that particular model of shaver blades on Amazon, you have hundreds of results come up, and most of them are from third-party sellers, probably in China or across the world. And I've ordered some of these shaver blades in the past, and I've had very poor results because I noticed they come in some generic packaging. They're not actually the one officially from Philips, the company that makes my razors. So when I'm looking online, I generally try to purchase items that are easily counterfeitable or easily reproducible from a more standard retailer, such as London Drugs or Best Buy. A retailer that I trust would have a supply chain that would get the item directly from the manufacturer rather than through a counterfeit supply chain somewhere in the world. So that's one thing to consider. Another one is that I would look for the price and also availability close to me. If it's getting close to Christmas and there's going to be a lot of snow on the ground, I generally would try to pick something up in person rather than have it delivered, because during the snowy weather, often delivery people can't make their way to our apartment. So that's my tips for the day, and I'll turn it back to you, Jim.
Thank you, Jeff.